Hello friends, today we are going to see children method in jQuery, how children method works in jQuery and what we can use this method. And children method gets the children of each element in set of matched elements, and the children method allows us to search through children of given jQuery object elements to construct a new jQuery object of matched elements. And the children differ from find method. Children method traverses only to a single level in the DOM tree structure, while find method can traverse multiple levels. Now let's see through code how it works. Now this is the basic uh, HTML file. Now let's create uh, the content into it, put some content into it, and let's create one div and give an ID attribute as target div, and we say this is the div element, and inside this div element we create a paragraph element, and this paragraph element is basically children of this div element. So we say this is paragraph 1, and we give it as id attribute as p1, and let's create some more paragraphs. We say this is paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 respectively, and we change the id as well. So this is the main content to be manipulated already. So let's create a button on click of which uh, jQuery method will work. We say this is my button, and we name it as children. Now let's create a class. This class we are going to use uh, in our method, and while demonstrating what children method does. So we say color of this class will be orange, and font family of this class will be Comic Sans MS. Now let's see how a document will look like. And this is the div element, the 3 paragraph elements, and 1 button element. Now on click of the button it won't do anything because we have not written any code here. So we write jQuery inside document.ready, now we say on click of my button we are using id selector to select the button, and on click of this button we say we are going to select the div element whose id is target div, and we are going to select its children. So we use children method, and to those children we are going to add our style class, which is children. We save it, and let's see how does it work. We click on it, it says it apply class to all the children element, that is paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and this is div element is basically the div element itself. So it class CSS class will not apply to this text but to this text because this is the children of that text. Now we can also apply selector to this. Now as we know, we have created 3 paragraph element with different IDs, so we can say out of all the children we only want children whose ID is p1, so it will apply class to only those paragraph elements whose ID is p1. We save it and let's check. Now see, only the paragraph element with ID p1 is applied the class, and class is applied to that paragraph only. Now let's check one more thing, and we create a em element inside the first paragraph element, and we say this is em inside p element. Save it, and we remove any filter from or any selector from children element, and we refresh it. Now we can see this is em inside p element, and we click on children, so it paints this element as well. So this is how children method works in jQuery. Thank you, friends.